So just looking in at the carpet mounting room here. Spent the past day switching out the bottom. I guess all the parts that I didn't drive on anymore. Especially this part right here. There's some tools I used to move all the stuff around. Screws to pin it down. I wasn't driving over there on the back side. I wasn't driving here. And I wasn't driving over there. So just take it apart, switch it up, and all of a sudden it's new and difficult. And a heck of a lot of fun. Like some of these spots, this thing has to go up. Like, it's gnarly, man. Like, you can build some really steep stuff. Like, this thing's, there's a couple spots in there, right? You can see it's on the, like, a little bit of torque, and she's gonna get it wrong. Like, some of these things are getting pretty wicked. And if it rolls, it's just carpet. Like, I'm finding this is pretty close to the same traction as rock. Just rock binds your stuff, and you break things, which sucks. So if you're going to build an indoor course, you got just leftover boxes. There's tons of leftover boxes. You go to Costco, always ask for a box. This crappy old carpet, use it. This gray stuff was brand new when I got it. Just went to the shop, like, you got scrap? They were like, yep. So I got that. This is old crap, just from the house. As you can see, it's the same stuff. So it was under the stairs. So pretty much this was almost all free. Just other than screws, your drill to put it down. You can build a pretty awesome course. Something no one else has, right? I haven't seen anybody in the community with a carpet course like this. So it's easy to do. This is the best tool. Just a little driver and 2-inch drywall screws. There's probably almost 400 of them in here. Just every little angle. Pin it, whatever you like. So you can shape it like rock, you can shape it like hill. Make spots to add things. You got a ball pit, mud pit, whatever. It's pretty rad. Give some decoration so your room's not so flippin' bland. Right? Cheap shower curtain. A couple filler pieces. Yeah. It's pretty wicked to have. Off-road trailer. I'll try to get a size for you. Like, it's huge. I recommend it to anybody that's got the space. I'm noticing a lot of these guys, when they build their courses, it's like they got obstacles that are like a foot, 2 feet, maybe a foot, 2.5 feet. It's like this thing starts at ground and goes. Like, I'm 6'4", so this thing's eye level with me, so it's got to be 6 feet. You got the room built tall. Like, these things are made for climbing, not just going over little tiny bumps. Anyway, that's just me ranting at the end there. Whatever. Peace.